In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store to download any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Firefox. When your app is ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down a tiny bit to hit Apps. Then select Manage Apps over here. Finally, after tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, select Other Settings and hit Default Apps at the top. Now you can select any of those sections that you wish to manage and click on it. Let's start with Browser. Apply your new downloaded app and go back. As you can see, mine was successfully set up. You can also tap on one of those sections like Gallery and pick one of your apps you already have on your smartphone, like Gallery or Mi Browser. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!